Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're good. I hope you're safe. All right. My name is still Habiba, Nanzas Habiba. Last time we talked about adding numbers. The first session we talked about adding two-digit numbers. Then we went ahead and talked about adding three-digit numbers. Well, I'm going to go through adding three-digit numbers and I see whether we are the same. Well, we are at the same page. I have an example. We had 532 plus 234. When you're given such a number, we said we don't draw balls on our numbers because it will congest it and it will make it untidy. So we agreed on doing side work. You can put this word side work or you can even leave it. Then we said when we are adding, we start from the ones. We always start from the ones. It makes it so easy. So we say 2 plus 4. When you add 2 plus 4, we said we can use anything around. We can join anything around. We can add spoons, we can add sticks, stones, anything. We said we put them together and we get the answer. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So we put our 6 there. And then 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 was 3 plus 3. That is 6 also. And then 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. If you use your fingers, you get 5 fingers plus 2 fingers, you get 7, and put then 7 there. Arrange the numbers properly. The answer is supposed to sit under the numbers you've been dealing with. That's what we talked about last time. We're still continuing with addition, but this time we are adding the numbers vertically. They are going to give us these numbers, horizontally. Horizontally means flat and level. At that time, we were looking at the numbers which are given to us when they are vertical, like standing. This time, they are going to give them to us when they are lying, when they are flat and level. Like when you lie on the bed, you lie horizontally. When you stand vertically. So that's what we are looking at today, adding tens and ones. Horizontally, we are adding tens and ones horizontally. I told you horizontally is flat. It's being flat. All right, here we are. They have given us a number like 36 plus 21. 36 plus 21. You have such a number, 36 plus 21, and they want you to find out the answer. What is 36 plus 21? Of course, you cannot draw 36 balls. You say, okay, the teacher said putting together things, that is addition. So, if I have 36 plus 21, I will draw 36 balls and 21 balls. Hey, that will take forever. This is what we do to make it simple for us. We talked about place values last time in our classes, even in P1, so it's just a revision. So what we do, we put place values on each digit. Do you still remember place values? If the number is having only one digit, that number is in ones. If they become 2, we have a tens and the ones. If they come 3, hundreds, tens and ones. So in this case, we have 2 digits. I hope you can see them. 2 digits. Our 36 here. In class, we always say baptized. Do you remember that? We always say baptize the number. All right. For those of you who don't know how to baptize, it's okay. Worry not. 36 here. There is one number which is in tens and another number which is in ones. Do you still remember which one should be in ones and which one should be in tens? Oh, so 6 here is in ones. and ones is represented by O. Then tens is represented by T. You also come here. You have 21. In which place values are 1? In which place value? Of course, is in ones. And then the 2 is in tens. So when you reach there, you're not yet done. You get out your ruler. Since now you're adding numbers that are in 2 place values, you're having numbers that are in tens, another number is in, other numbers are in ones. So you get a ruler and make this format. So here you'll put the numbers in tens and the numbers in ones are going to be put this side. You know what we are trying to do? We are trying to make them be vertical. When you put them in a vertical way, it will be easy. So it will be easy for us. We won't have to draw all the 36 balls and all the 21 balls. No. So when you come here, we'll start with this number. Pick it the way it is. This is 36. Okay? So if it's 36, put each number under its place value. So in this case, you'll put 3 under what place value is on top of 3? Of course, it is tens. You put the 3 under tens. You move. You don't skip and come this side. I wouldn't encourage that. Go straight. Pick up the number first, like the whole of 36. Pick the 3, put it where it's supposed to be. In this case, it's supposed to be under the tens, and then come to ones. Also, which number is under ones? Of course, it's 6. Put it there. You move to the next number. So our next number is 21. So in which place value is our 2? 2 is under tens. Of course, you put it there. Then you move also to this other number. Which number is this? 1. In which place value is it? It's also under ones. You put it there properly. Then you get out your ruler and put the equal signs. Put the equal signs. So when you put the equal signs, you'll now be good to go. And what have we been doing? We are adding. Do not forget the operation sign. Do not. So we'll put the addition sign there. So here we are good to go. It's like we've seen this before, adding numbers vertically. So we'll create our space for side work. And in this case, we'll start the ones. I told you we start with the ones. So we're adding 6 plus 1. Here we said it's okay, you can draw balls, it's fine. You can draw balls or you can do counters. We looked at this. We even said you can put the big number in the head and the small number on the fingers. And in this case, the big number is 6 and the small number is 1. So 6 in your head. Everybody put 6 in your head. I've put 6 in my head and 1 on my finger. 1 on my finger. So I'm counting 6, 7. So my answer is 7. Put the 7 there. We said you don't leave it there. You have to put it where it's supposed to be. And I've been dealing with numbers under 1, so I'll put my 7 under 1s. So I'll come to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 3 plus 2. If I drop balls, I'll say 1, 2, 3. And these are 1, 2. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll get 5 and transfer my 5 here. So the whole of this has been working. We've been trying to see how easy we can reach the answer. So 36 plus 21, instead of drawing all the 36 balls or counters or counting the spoons or counting stones, we've arranged it vertically. So when you arrange it vertically, you'll be able to get the answer. So 36 plus 21 is equal to 57. So pick up your answer and put it here because they left for you a dash. So now your answer will be complete. 36 plus 21 is equal to 57. We move on. We move on to the second example. My second example is 16 plus 13. 16 plus 13. What is 16 plus 13? What is 16 plus 13? Of course, we said we're not going to draw the 16 balls. We need clean, neat work. We are going to arrange. They've given it to us in a horizontal way. We are going to arrange it vertically because we said if you arrange it vertically, it becomes easy peasy and it will be good to go. So again, we start with putting them in their right place values. Or you remember our word we say baptizing? Yeah, you become a reverend and baptize those numbers. So when you want to put place values here, you will put, this one will acquire ones and this one will go to tens. This one also ones and this one tens. So you do these formats, which we said we are dealing with numbers in tens and ones. So numbers in ones will be this side and the numbers in tens will be this side. Pick up the first number the way it is. Pick it up the way it is. Don't pick a number and then you jump to the other. No. Pick 16. Lift it up. Put the 1 under tens. Of course, it's here. And the 6 here. Pick 13 again, put 1 where it belongs. Where does it belong? In tens. Put the 1 there and the 3. And what have you been doing? You're adding. So, you draw the equal sign. When you draw the equal sign, it's time for us to do side work. Like we said, we don't congest our work. So that's why we do side work. This side. So we are doing our work from another space. So we have 6 plus 3. What is 6 plus 3? 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3, that is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then we have 1 plus 1. Who doesn't know this? 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. You can even ask your sister who is in top class or brother or whoever is around. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is so simple, easy peasy. What you have to do is to master the right place values. I'll give you one more and you see. I have this number. I have 39 plus 0. Sorry, plus 10. 39 plus 10. We are following the same procedure. You baptize, don't worry. Put their right place values. This is under ones, this is under tens. And this is also under ones, and this is under tens. There we are. We are arranging them vertically now. This is tens and this is ones. So we said you pick the number up. The bad thing about only picking one number here and the other, some of you tend to mix them up. So pick the first number the way it is, the all of it, and put it in their right place value. So this is 3 and this is 9. So pick the 10 also the way it is, put the 1 where it belongs in tens, and the 0 belongs in ones. Now it's time for us to add. It's time for us to add. Side work simply helps you to have neat work. I would encourage everybody to do it. Because if you don't do it, if you don't want to get used to it, that means you'll have to draw balls in your work and make it untidy. And I don't think your teacher will be so happy with it. So we have 9 plus, we are adding, remember? 9 plus 0. What is 9 plus 0? We said if you're adding a 0 to any number, it remains that number. If you're adding a 0, because 0 means nothing. If you're adding nothing to the number, it remains that number. So 9 plus 0 is 9. I'll put my 9 here. And then I'm going to the tens now, whereby I'm adding 3 plus 1. What is 3 plus 1? What is 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1 is 4. Transfer your 4 and put it here. Oh, what is 39 plus 10 is equal to 49. What is 16 plus 13 was equal to 29. I hope we're together. I'll need to do with you only one more example and we'll be good to go. One more example. This is example 4. I'm having this is 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2. Yes, I know some of you like to do it very fast. Would like to carry. You have the answers already. Yes, it is good. But still, we are following the procedure we've been doing. We are baptizing. We are putting place values. Aha. You see, my 12 has actually tens and ones. Now I have 2. Which place value? In which place value is my 2? Hey, in which place value is my 2? Is it in hundreds? Is it in tens? Is it in ones? Oh, yes, it is in ones because it's a single digit, we said. If it's a single digit, that means it is in ones. If they become 2, that means the first digit was ones, the second one was tens. So in this case, this is ones. I'll come, arrange them vertically. Arrange them vertically. I have tens and even ones. So I'll pick the number the way it is. 12, the 1 under tens and the 2 under ones. And I pick my next number, which is 2. In which place value is it? It's under ones. So you add. So when you add, it looks simple, yes, but I encourage you doing the side work for neatness. I'll say 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. Who doesn't know this? 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. You put the 4 there. Then 1 plus 0, we said, and if you're adding a 0 to any number, it remains that number. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So 12 plus 2 is 14. I hope you can do more and more of these numbers because I don't think they are hard. Once you learn how to arrange them in their right place values, it becomes so simple. You can do so many numbers. You can even do numbers that are having many digits. Here we've been dealing with numbers that are having 2 digits and even with 1. Now you can even do more if you follow the procedures I've given you, if you follow putting them in their right place values and then use side work. It becomes so simple. I'm going to leave you with some exercise, a few numbers. If you finish them, you can feel free to add more. You can keep practicing and practicing. This is not your first time saying adding. It's not your first time adding tens and ones. You did this. You did this in top class, middle class, in P1. Now you're seeing it in P2 again. It keeps on coming, okay? So feel free to add more. Keep practicing. It's okay. I love you so much. Arowena Sasabiba. See you next time. Bye.